just press rewind. I wanna go back in time so I can just